All right, now I'm gonna tap into the factory backup camera, which is behind the club box here. It runs into the parking assist ECU. So I'm gonna tap onto that and run over to this radio area. So in order to do that, I need to remove this club box compartment. Let's do that. I'm gonna go to the other side. Take out this club box. Disengage the plunger. This is hard to. I'm gonna push in the tab to open that. Same on the other side. And remove the club box completely out. There you go. Put this in the back for now. All right, and this cups. There, and this cow. Got a plastic grommet there. Pull it out. Set it aside. Put this one in here for later. All right, I got 1, 2 screw and 2 bolts, or 2 small bolts and 2 big bolts. I can use the Phillips. I don't to change the side. 1, 2. Ooh, magnet. Put it in there. There. All right. Let's come up. There you go. All right. Now that connector will be a white one. So this is the parking assist ECU. And this is the digital signal that go into the radio, which I won't be able to use that because my head unit doesn't have this digital input called GVIF, gigabit video interface. So I have to tap into the analog signal from the camera directly, which is these wires right here. All right, unfortunately, those T-taps connectors were not good enough to cut through these video signal wires. So I guess I have no choice but I'm gonna solder these wires. All right, so I had to tap into these 2 wires for the let's set up the light here. Okay, tap in one for the ground from this connector of the parking assist ECU, the ground, and this is the accessory power, 12 volts. All right, I have to isolate this one from the ECU itself because I'm gonna feed the external power to the connector for the camera, so I don't want to have any complication with the ECU, so I just take it out and keep it hanging loose. All right, so because this camera draw only 70 milliamps of power, so I don't think that'll be a problem with tapping into this power line of the parking assist ECU. So over here, I'm using 2 100 ohms connecting parallel to drop it down to 50 ohms, and to drop the voltage down a bit for the backup camera. Ideally, I think it's supposed to be 6 volts or so, but I'm getting about 8 volts, I believe. I'll tidy up and close it up, and that would be done. Okay guys, I finally got the backup camera up and running. So right now, all right, it's working right now. A little bit like a fisheye screen because this is 1080p. The camera obviously is not 1080p there, so. And that's it. So that's my installation. Thanks. See you next time. Hey Siri, play some music.
Here's some music from your library.